And as we've been reporting, the spring housing market is shaping up to be a bit unpredictable. I mean, today we learned that sales of newly built homes rose last month, one day after we learned that sales of existing homes fell. Diana Olick tries to make sense of it all.
The nation's home builders are putting up fewer homes now than they were a year ago, but they suddenly seem to be selling more. Single-family housing starts dropped 11% in March, but sales of new homes gained 3%. The cause of the disparity is likely pretty simple: mortgage rates. They rose throughout much of the second half of last year, peaking at over 5% on the 30-year fixed in November. That had builders pretty bearish on the prospects for this spring, likely why we saw fewer homes started. But rates then began falling this year and really plummeted in March when spring shoppers were out in force, hence the bump in sales. Pulte, one of the nation's largest builders, reported strong earnings in the first quarter of this year. Its CEO points squarely to the surprise drop in rates.
1 quarter into 2019 and roughly 70 basis points lower on mortgage rates over the past 5 months, expectations are changing yet again, with some calling for a re-acceleration of housing demand.
Of course, the wild card is still prices. The median price of a new home sold in March was down nearly 10% compared with a year ago. Builders are trying to put up cheaper homes with stripped-down amenities, but given the sky-high costs for land and labor, doing so might help sales, but could hit builder bottom lines. For Nightly Business Report, I'm Diana Olick in Washington.